Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point in System Restore on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select the view by up in the top right and select large icons. And now you want to select the recovery button. Select where it says configure system restore and then select the create button where it says create a restore point. And then go ahead and create it as whatever you want. You can name it whatever you want, but generally I normally kind of like doing the day, or if there's going to be like a big update I'm going to do, or I'm going to install something, I might want to go ahead and create a restore point. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Give it a moment, should create successfully in there. You close out of here and you select the system restore button now up here. There should be an option to then restore back to that restore point you just created, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.